Selection sort. You have learned certain sorting techniques in the earlier lessons. In this lesson, we will explore the selection sort. Selection sort is one of the types of sorting, specifically an in-place comparison sort. It is inefficient on large lists, and generally performs worse than the similar insertion sort, which we will talk about later. Selection sort is noted for its simplicity, and also it has performance advantages over more complicated concepts in certain situations. Let's discuss this in detail with the sample code. In this sample code, we declare a function called selection sort, which has two arguments. Inside the main function, we declare three variables, namely I, array list, and array size variables. In that, the array list is an array variable which allows 5 elements. Then we show a text message using this printf function. Using this for loop, we input 5 integers to the array list variable. In this line, we assign the value of 5 to the array size variable. Then we call selection sort function by passing array list and array size parameters. Now the control moves to the selection sort function definition. Here we receive the passed parameters from the main function. That means the value of array list is assigned to numbers array, and array size value is assigned to the second parameter. Inside the function, we declare 4 integer variables. Using this for loop, we sort the array elements. The loop will start from 0. In the conditional part, we check to see if I value is less than array size minus 1. If this is true, the control will execute the rest of the statements. In that, we assign the value of the I variable to the min variable. Then we use another for loop to fetch the array elements to compare with others. Inside the loop, we test whether numbers of j is less than numbers of min value. If the condition reads true, the value of j will be assigned to the min variable. In the outside of the loop, we swap the values in these lines. Once this is done, the control will switch over to the main function. Here, in this line, we display a text using the printf function. In the for loop, we show the rearranged elements. Let's see the output. To do that, press Alt F9 to compile. When it is done, close the dialog box by pressing OK, and press Ctrl F9 to run the code. Here we need to input 5 integers one by one. Look at the elements, which are arranged in the correct order. I'll advise you that if you really want to use the selection sort for some reason, try to avoid sorting lists of more than 1,000 items with it, or repetitively sorting lists of more than a couple hundred items. So far in this lesson, we have discussed the selection sort method. More sorting methods are waiting for you, so keep learning.